Okay, I reread your post. And I meant, of course, all that stuff I did in the other video is not here because I use the trial version. But I didn't address everything you were interested in. Now, you want to put shelves. Can't put shelves here or a niche or anything because the pocket door. The door has a store over here, so that's not an option. This is not an option. You can place shelves here, or you can place them underneath the window. Now, place one over here. The tool you want to use, you go to Window Tools and Wall Niche. I think that's the tool of choice that you want to use. And you can, it's easy to put one here, seeing it puts it not quite the entire depth of the wall. And of course, like any object in Cheap, this can be centered, open its dialog box, change its dimensions, and so forth. We'll take a quick look at it with a wall elevation camera, and you'll see the thing. Yeah, there it is. You can click on it, yeah, and move it around and open the dialog box and materials. It's pretty straightforward. And if you want shelves in here, then you could put a soffit or a little slab in here to emulate and look like a shelf here and a shelf here. I'm not going to do that. I've shown you how to create a slab and just use your imagination. You can make it the size of a glass shelf and then apply glass material to it. Now over here on this wall, see again, I'm going to go to the Window Tools within this camera and click down here. It's not creating one because of this window here. It's a little bit, okay, there it is. All right, I got one. The point is you get it in and then you can drag it to where you want it and make it however you want it, but you wouldn't have to put it in underneath the window in order to do the shelf part. Okay, and if you want to put little interior shelves, there's no, in the dialog box here, there's not a dialog box for that. Open the dialog on here. I don't think so. At least there wasn't in X11. Yeah, see, there's no tabs there for shelves. So you have to make those manually and place them manually yourself. Okay, the other part of your, oh, you were talking about strips. Okay, one thing in this wall elevation camera, a tool that you can use is the, under cabinet tools, it's called, oh, yeah, see there, custom backsplash. You left click and drag. Well, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Huh. Let me try a different elevation camera. See if that makes a difference. We'll use a back clip. Now this does the entire model. I'll go back at. I just needed this custom backsplash tool to work. It's not working. Okay, another choice is under build. See, where is that sucker? I think it's under wall. Material region? No, I don't see it. Well, fiddlesticks. My main, I don't see anything else there other than custom backsplash. It doesn't want to, if I could get it in there, I could resize it, but it's not going in. I'm gonna take another look for material region. That may not exist in Home Designer Pro. It exists in Cheap Architect Premier. I don't see it. Well, okay. So this is not my favorite way, but you could go over here into the soffit tool. We'll put a soffit there because it's going to pop up into, okay, I didn't. All right, and then you can resize this to carry a trim material. On walls, on glass, there's nothing you can use. Home Designer Pro doesn't have the ability to put, see, I can make this stretch across there, and then open the dialog box on it and make it, you know, the depth, not 13 inches, but 1/8. And then the height, we can make that 8-inch tile. And then there's the width. And so there's a potential strip. You can place this wherever you want, wherever it'll fit. It might interfere with the shelf, but you could then place a material on this, and then we'll look at that in a camera view without putting material on it. You'll see it there. The potential is there. See, and you could copy paste it around and have a strip, but not on the glass. If you want something on the glass, you're gonna have to make a custom material, and that's a little bit too involved for me to go into in a YouTube video. I suppose you'd have to create a material and apply it to the glass, and as the image would have to carry your strip. And of course, that's not going to work on a door and a wall. It would work on a wall, but not a door and a wall. They're not going to line up. So I don't think it's realistic to do, even in cheap Architect Premiere. I suppose it could be done. But here's what you can do in Home Designer Pro with these wall niches and with the soffit. And then you can apply a material to it. Okay? Hope this helps. If it doesn't, I gave it a shot.